We actually got our inspiration from YouTubers as well as Instagram and Renopedia. 可以吗？我变太迟了。Hi, my name is Katherine and this is my first time as a homeowner. We met last year at a reno fair. At that point in time, we didn't know how we should start designing our own place until we chanced upon WK Design. They actually provided us with a lot of valuable guidance, which gave us the assurance to work with them. The theme that we are going for is mid-modern century, and we actually got our inspiration from YouTubers as well as Instagram and Renopedia. My favorite part of the house is my coffee corner, which is behind me. Most of the time in the morning, I'll roll down the blinds and make a cup of coffee before I start the day. I would say that it's very smooth because since the start, they have always kept us in a loop whenever there's new updates, and they'll provide us updates even though we are not at the site most of the time because we fully entrust them. Yeah, and we really didn't have the time to go down to a site and monitor every single day. Renopedia has gave us some inspiration as to how we should place our furniture because we got some reference from other homeowners. At the start, we just had an idea of what we want in the house, but we didn't really know where to place it, and those images really helped. I would recommend Renopedia to other homeowners, especially first-time homeowners who didn't know where to start. From Renopedia, you can see that there's a lot of images as well as experience shared by different homeowners, which gave us a rough gauge of how we should expect the entire renovation journey. Or not everyone will have the smoothest journey, because I heard that there's a lot of ID firms who didn't meet their expectation. Thank you, Renopedia. Do check out their socials for more home renovation tips and inspiration. Bye!
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.